Right now you can actually see the frequently asked questions. Now they said, how do I register on Nuvia? Do I need to refer to get paid? How will I receive my streaming revenues? How can I earn streaming music? What subscription plans do you offer? What should I do if I am having trouble streaming? Can I download songs for offline listening? Can I listen to music on multiple devices? This video is for educational purposes and should not be considered as a financial advice. Okay, so make sure you do your due diligence before taking any action on the information you'll be getting right in this video. Now, everything you need to know about Nuvia, I'm going to educate you right in this video. But before we proceed, if you're coming across this channel for the first time, my name is Joaquin. So what I do right here on this channel is that I dish out educational content, give out value, make reviews about several platforms. Now, if this sounds like what you're interested in, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you're about to watch right now. Now, we all know what Nuvia is all about. Nuvia is a streaming platform where you get to listen to music. Now, this is a breakdown of how it works. The musicians, the celebrity that owns this music actually are gaining recognition when you listen to this music, and you also get rewarded for listening to music. So what you do on this platform is typically listening to music, and you are going to be rewarded for your time. Okay, and the more music you listen to, the more recognition you give to those music. So they are actually paying you for the time you spent on their platform. So I'm going to be walking you through on how the interface right on this platform works and what you also need to do. And if you actually want to go ahead registering for an account, that is actually a choice of your own. Okay, so what I'm going to do in this video is to make reviews and also show you some things you need to know about this platform before you get started on this and Nuvia platform. First of all, let's start with what is Nuvia. Right here you can actually see Nuvia is a music streaming platform focused on music promotion and listener rewards. Okay, just like I said, you get to listen to music and you get rewarded for it, and also the owners of this music, the musicians, they get recognized for their music. Okay, so right now when you come right here, you can actually see that it says stream, play, vibe. Okay, immerse yourself in a world of endless music, discover songs you love, create personalized playlists, and let the rhythm take over. Whether you are walking, relaxing, or on the move, the perfect vibe is just a play away. Make your music the world with endless songs and perfect playlists. Now we'll be going through all these frequently asked questions, and we're going to be explaining the responses together. Now it says, how do I register on Nuvia? Now they said joining Nuvia is easy. Simply contact one of our verified subscription merchants to purchase the end coin for registration. Now on Nuvia, before you can go ahead to register, you need to get what is called the end coin. Okay, so once you are registering, during the process of registration, you're going to be seeing the surface for you to insert that end coin, which is going to be giving you access for your registration. Now that end coin is the actual amount you're paying to get registered. Okay, and when you get registered on Nuvia, you can actually claim the chargeback of that amount you used in registering. All right, so that is that for that. Now when you come down, it says, do I need to refer to get paid? Now they said no, you don't need to refer anyone to get paid on Nuvia. All you just have to do is to earn on Nuvia. All right, now the next one says, how will I receive my streaming revenues? Streaming revenues can be received via bank transfer, USDT wallet, or PayPal. All right, so when you come right here, it says, how can I start streaming music? You can start streaming music as soon as you register. Immediately you register, you are going to start streaming the music on your dashboard. Now, what subscription plans do you offer? We offer both basic and premium subscription plans. Now I want you to listen to this. If you're actually going for the basic plan, just know that you are going to be paying double. So my advice to anyone that wants to venture or go into this Nuvia streaming platform, just go straight to the premium subscription. The premium subscription is just 12,005 plus. Okay, so that is the range of the premium subscription. So I advise anyone that wants to start this to go for the premium subscription plan. Now it says, what should I do if I am having trouble streaming? Now if you encounter streaming issues, contact our customer care team for swift resolutions. And one thing about their customer service is that they are very active and very nice to relate with. Now they said, can I download the song for offline? Yes, with our premium subscription plan, you can download and listen to the song offline, meaning you can actually go ahead to download the song and listen to the songs offline. But when you actually want to earn on this platform, you can actually go ahead to listen to this music on the Nuvia platform, so it can be marked that you have done the task, which is listening to the music. Now it says, can I listen to music on multiple devices? Yes, you can access your Nuvia account on different devices. So these are all the frequently asked questions right on that platform. Now when you come right here, we are going over to the pages right here. Now when you come about the Nuvia, you can actually see who are we. Nuvia says we are the digital streaming company that links song streaming giants with listeners to organically inflate songs, view count and engagement metrics, resulting in brand promotion, wealth creation for its partners. Nuvia ensures that both creators and listeners benefit. Artists gain recognition while listeners get rewarded for their engagement. Okay, just like I said, artists gain recognition while listeners get rewarded for their engagement. Millions of talented artists and audio content creators worldwide struggle to get exposure they deserve. Despite investing heavily in promotions through social media influencers and various media outlets, their efforts often yield little to no results. So you can actually see the description and what you need to know about Nuvia right here. Now it says Nuvia collaboration with music artists, podcasts and all types of audio content creators worldwide. These creators can sign up on the platform as musicians, broadcasts or content creators to share their work with global audience. To ensure a seamless partnership, creators will complete an agreement form outlining the terms of condition of promoting their content on Nuvia. Okay, so you can actually see that your musicians, your latest celebrities are actually partnering with Nuvia just to gain the recognition. So yours is just to listen to this music for your engagement. You're going to be getting rewarded. So when you come right here, you're going to be seeing the top listeners on Nuvia. You can actually see them right here. These are the top listeners on Nuvia. You can actually see the amount they have made. Now let me log in to show you the main proper page on how it looks like. So right now you're actually seeing my dashboard. Okay, so you can actually see I have a total revenue of 127,000 naira. So you can actually see this. So these are my dashboard. Now once you sign up on Nuvia, the first thing you want to do is to input your bank details. Now to input that, come over to profile. You're going to be seeing bank right here, so click on bank and you're going to be putting your bank details right here. So once you're done, you can just go back to your account. Now after that, you need to start listening to music. Now to listen to music, just come right here. You're going to be seeing the stream box. So once you click on the stream box, you can actually see different music you can actually listen to with different platforms. We have the Apple Music, we have the Audio Mac, we have the Spotify, Boomplay, YouTube Music and SoundCloud. So these are the music you are entitled to. But right now on Nuvia we have two plans, which is the basic and the premium plan, which I said earlier. But I would advise you go for the premium plan, meaning once you go for the premium plan, you're going to be getting more higher music. Okay, so you won't be getting lesser music to listen to, and your pay will not be that small. Now another thing you need to do is to come down to where you can actually find the listening power. Okay, so once you are on premium package, it will be very easy for you to move to increase your listening power. Now on listening power, we have the level 1 and the level 2. So for the basic earners, once they come right here, they need to upgrade their account to premium plan. That's why I said it's advisable you go straight to the premium plan than going to the basic plan. Then when you now want to increase your listening power, you still have to come back and upgrade to premium plan. So once you're on premium plan, all you just have to do right here is to pay the 3,500 naira just to increase your listening power. As you can see right now, I am on level 2. Alright, so that is what you need to do on your account to increase your listening power. Makes you come right here. Once you come down to stream box, you can actually come down to SoundCloud or any music right here. So once you click on that, you can actually see the amount you'll be getting for just one music. Okay, you can actually see the amount I'm actually showing you right here. But for the basic plan, once you come right here and come down to Apple Music, you can actually see the price is different. Okay, so this is the difference of getting a basic and a premium plan. Now, another thing I said was when you registered, you can actually get a cashback of your registration. Okay, your registration means that the coupon code you got, the end coin you got, you can actually get the chargeback on your account and withdraw from your account. Now, once you come down to withdraw registration fee, you can actually see that this is where you can actually claim your chargeback. You can actually see the chargeback balance is 9,600, and when you come right here, I have actually claimed amount of 2,900. so once you come down to daily claim, it will allow you to claim for that day. Okay, every 24 hours you come right here to claim. Now it says cannot claim yet, come back after 15 hours. Okay, because I have claimed the one for today. Now when you come down to my history, you can actually see my earnings so far on this Nuvia platform. This navigated part, let me explain it one after the other. When you click on dashboard, you're going straight to your account. Now when you click on income logs, these are the earnings on your account. So these will be accumulating right on your account. So that are the income logs. Okay, so now when you come down to Nuvia promo allows you earn once you do the task. Right now it says Nuvia promo, discover the top achievers of this platform. Now when you come right here, you can actually see what it says: stream music, get paid, change your life. We have created a platform that pays you just for doing what you already love, streaming music. Even when the economy shows down, the music industry keeps booming and smart individuals are cashing in. Okay, today we are celebrating users who seized the opportunity and making over 10 million in just over a month of joining Nuvia. Now what you just have to do is to click on the YouTube link, go to YouTube and like or subscribe, then come over to the next one and go to TikTok, like and follow. Go to Instagram, do the same thing, then go to WhatsApp, post on your status. So these are the tags. So once you come back to your account, you're going to be finding the promo just like this. The promo rewards is going to be written, it's going to be shown like this, the amounts you have actually gotten from the promo. Now when you come down to Streambox, just like what I explained, this is the interface that shows you the musics that you will be listening to. Streambox actually shows you the music you are to listen to. Now when you come down to link, this is where you get your affiliate link to refer individuals to this platform if you choose to affiliate this particular platform. All right, now this is the withdrawal options. Once you click on this, it's going to take you over to the withdrawal option. Just like what I said, you can withdraw using your PayPal, your USD, or using the bank transfer. So these are the methods of withdrawal. All right, so now these are the chargeback, the reg fee chargeback. It's going to direct you here. Then when you come right here, this is the listening power. Just like what I said earlier, listening power allows you listen to all musics on Nuvia. So once you come right here, you'll be seeing where to insert a code. This will allow you get more music on your account. Now what you just have to do is to get the code for the listening power level 2 and insert on a space right here, and you're going to click on purchase. Then automatically your listening power will be increased. Now when you come down to royalty estimate, this is the total amount of music you have listened to. This is where you're going to be getting the progress of how much you have made on Nuvia. All right, right now on Nuvia we have the daily withdrawal. Now because of the daily withdrawal, what you just have to do is to come down to daily withdrawal. Okay, so right now when you come down to daily withdrawal, you can actually see the countdown to July 31st for the daily withdrawal. Now you can actually see that this has been moved to daily wallet. So once you keep listening to music, you're going to be getting this on your royalty earnings. Now to transfer these earnings from your royalty earnings down to your daily wallet, which will allow you place withdrawal on the 31st of July as they have promised. So what you just have to do is to come right here and click on transfer. You can actually see it says confirm that you want to transfer all your royalty earnings to your daily withdrawal wallet. This action cannot be undone. Please note that you need to transfer your royalty earnings to your daily withdrawal wallet before the month of withdrawal. So what we are going to do right now is to click on yes, proceed. As you can see, transfer completed successfully. So right now you can actually see that our daily wallet has 33,406 naira. Okay, so when it's time for the withdrawal on the 31st as they have promised, we are going to be cashing out more, because before then we'll be earning more on Nuvia. I hope you understand. So this royalty earnings, once you keep listening to music, you'll be getting your earnings on your account. So what you just have to do is to come down to this royalty, is to come down to this hamburger icon right here, then come down to daily withdrawal. So once you come down to daily withdrawal, anything you have under your royalty earnings, just move them to your daily wallet. So that is that on that. Okay, so you just have to understand how this works. It is very simple to understand and very easy to navigate on Nuvia. Currently now, when you look at my plan, you can actually see that I am on premium, so I will advise you start with premium. And so these are all what you just need to know about Nuvia before getting started. It's an easy platform. It's a website which you can actually list in and you actually get rewarded for your time. And if you actually want to register on Nuvia, you can actually reach out to me with the link on the pinned comment section, and I'm going to be directing you on how you can go about it and also your registration process. And I hope you got value from this, and if you actually did, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. It is always advisable you join my social media platforms, my Telegram channel and my WhatsApp group, where I run giveaways and also show you some strategies on how you can actually leverage more on the internet space. And so thank you for watching, and see you on my next video.